Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. Just want to do a quick sound check. Hopefully, my sound and screen is okay by typing a one for me. Okay, so if my sound and screen is okay, if you are here joining me, type a one for me. Again, a quick disclaimer before we start this section here. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on this discussion in this video here, so make sure your own trading plan. Market overall still not bullish. Okay, so anything still can happen, right? If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so definitely one of the exciting things today we can see is Malakoff lah. So yesterday, if you saw in my Telegram, I do enter around 860 cents. But closing, to be frank, is not that good. Okay, actually, I'm a bit worried it might pull back lower, but luckily today it rebounded. So as for me, because I entered yesterday, it break back a bit to 190. Sorry, 90 cents above. So I do just now I do take some profit already at 90 cents. Okay, so a block a bit lah, at least one day only ma. So got a little bit of profits over there. So okay, now let's see how it goes. Hopefully it stay above 90 cents. I'll be quite satisfied if let's say they stay above around 90 cents. And then of course, if you want to use my SNR, my support resistance, to build your this so-called trading plan over here. So this is the immediate R1 that you need to watch out. I can use this line over here. Okay, so around 1 ringgit area. Of course, you don't wait until 1 ringgit. Sometimes 99 cents is okay to lock a little bit profit also, right? So sometimes we won't really want to wait until you hit exactly at 1 ringgit. Okay, so hopefully got a chance today. Okay, so I think just now in the group I do saw someone mention about Harlan also. Okay, trying to retest again. So this is well, looks like going to break also. So here also a nice pullback, but yesterday I didn't really pull back lower lah. So pretty strong overall. Okay, so the other one is Kuskapi. I think closing also not so nice, but overall the setup is still valid for me. Okay, as long as they are staying above 250 and above lah. Okay, 25 this line above lah. I will still think that it's a good so-called setups to watch out for. Okay, so there's Kuskapi. Okay, now let's look into the overall market condition first. Okay, we start with FBM KLCI. Okay, again, FBM KLCI is very bullish, but doesn't represent the overall market condition because, as we all know, this is mainly driven by the banks. Okay, the finance sectors, mostly by public and Maybank. So today still in green bar. Okay, looks okay at the moment. Right now, let's look into the so-called the indices, the other indices. We sort by volume over here. Industrial products, not really great. Property inverse pullback. Careful, because yesterday is a so-called high volume candle, down by high volume candle. So it's a inverse pullback candle. Okay, so I would think that need to be careful. Okay, so technology also break below support yesterday. So this is again an inverse pullback pattern, some things that technically we don't like to see. Okay, we don't like to see. So so far no setups yet, even though today is green candle, but probably of course downtrend doesn't really happens in a straight days. It won't really like happens 2-3 weeks in a row. So sometimes it happen a week, few days rebound, and then it happens again. So well, probably today is a little bit of rebound because today looks like we see a little bit of green this morning over here. But again, doesn't represent the overall healthiness of the markets. Don't really follow blindly on KLCI is good. You follow KLCI directions. Okay, so it's not always like that. Okay, so constructions looks like still holding well. Hey, might drop already today. This S1 also double support. Okay. So okay, now energy is the one that's still at glove. Okay, sorry, still at this gap, but looks like today heading down already. So again, I still a bit defensive. I don't really trade a lot. Okay, some counters I feel that they are doing nice, like Malakoff, because Malakoff I already entered previously. Take a little bit of profit also around 1 ringgit area, and then pull back. So I think okay. So I top up a bit. Okay. So this is what I do, but the rest I don't really want to enter. Even though like counters like Kuskapi, all this is a nice setup for me, but I still think that need to be slightly a little bit patient. Okay, plantation is the one that moving up. Okay, plantations long term wise actually they are still in accumulation. Okay, I'm not sure. Probably there will be tests around here, 7,500 level. Okay, so maybe short term wise you might want to look into some plantation counters. Okay, so do let me know any good plantation counters to look into. You can actually type it there, then we can study together. I know Jatiasa, lots of people look into Jatiasa. Okay, now I know still got not much people over here. Okay, market still not so exciting. If you are here, if you want me to look into some counters, you can type it there. I can look into some of this so-called pullback uptrend counters. If not, then probably we also do a quick section and in another 10 to 5 more minutes. Okay, so Tenko okay, still holding well. We got a shakeout here. We got some shakeout over here. Okay, so good to monitor those shakeout counters right now. Okay, shakeout complete is a nice one for right now for current market situation. Dashin downtrend. Okay, still is a big rebound for me. Nothing much over here. SDG, SDG, not sure. Okay, not my favorite actually. Okay, Malakoff. Okay, Malakoff. I think yes. Okay, I hope you will go up higher later on. Okay, don't close with the shooting star. Okay, but again, if you are entering around 860 or below, I think it's a good time for you to lock a small profit because it's 1 day only. So just now 90 cents is a good time. Actually, I do lock a bit just now. Okay, Fajar still under inverse pullback, I think. So no for now because lots of inverse pullback currently. So I only want to enter trades that having a better setup or confirmation. I think yesterday Hub Sing lah. Okay, let's look into Optimax first. Then we look at Hub Sing. Okay, got chance lah. Okay, but volume still low. Normally shakeout would prefer high volume. Low volume shakeout is a bit weak. Okay, like EG, SKB shot also, but in the end they drop back again. Right, so let's look into Hub Sing. Okay, we check also this EG and SKB shot. I exit already with losses, but hopefully it will come back stronger later on. Okay, so here, okay, shake out, pushing it back, okay, to the low volume. Okay, so if you want 1.1, I think it's a good area to focus. Again, not doing any buy and sell call, market still a bit uncertain right now. Okay, but so far this is one of the few counters I feel that the setup is good. Okay, Aeon as well. Okay, Aeon, all these boring counters is actually holding well. Hapsing lah, Aeon lah. Okay, so here breaking above the resistance now turn to support. As long as above the new support, I think should be quite fine. Okay, for Aeon, got 3 strength with a shakeout over here. Okay, so looks like okay. KWSP also keep buying. Sorry, EPF. Okay, EPF still looks like they are still buying recently over here. Okay, any stocks? Let's go into EG. Okay, everyone's still very quiet. Okay, EG no setup yet. Okay, just still got some high volume come in. Okay, EG, SKB shot. Okay, but this one still can monitor SKB shot. Okay, SKB shot. Okay, no setups. Okay, the other one is NGGB. Okay, NGGB as long as still around the shakeout zone, above the shakeout zone, I think it's okay. I think it's fine. Okay, any stock you want me to look into? No stock, I will end our section. Nothing much today also. Only Malakoff. Oh, is ceiling coming in? Okay, let's look into ceiling. Okay, last one before we close out. Ceiling. Okay, Tenaga also. Okay. Ceiling, okay lah. Okay, boleh lah. Holding bar looks like the hammer holding bar lah. If you want to enter, you can. 3, 4, 5 area is a good area to focus. Okay, Tenaga. Okay, Tenaga okay lah. Still normal as normal doing the sideways things. Okay, if let's say there's no questions, I think I will end my section here today. Again, this morning still looks like still boring, but at least it's rebounding mostly of them. But against for me, temporary is still a short-term rebound. Okay, temporary for me is still a short-term rebound. It's not a very strong rebound yet because if you look into all all of the indices, most of the indices they are actually doing some inverse pullback. Okay, hello Gary, good morning. Okay, so okay, Gary just asked about EG. Just now actually I just reviewed EG okay, but let's look into that again. Okay, EG BSD got shake out. I think I in the chat group, Telegram chat group, I also got mentioned. I exit already. Okay, because I don't like it break below. But I still monitoring. Okay, I still monitoring because this one this one actually heard your rumors that they will potentially will go up but again, rumor is rumors. Okay, because sometimes information need to match with the overall timing right? If let's say the counters got operator want to going but timing is not right, also difficult. So why I'm afraid is that they will actually trade lower, okay, and then only push up. So here to here, sometimes also tak tahan already. Okay, even my entry around 2 ringgit now dropped to 1 ringgit 80 cents, sometimes also tak tahan already. Okay, so what I do is that again, PSD when it drop, I exit quickly. Okay, but I'm still monitoring. I will see how actually it back to 2 ringgits. Okay, so let's say back to 2 ringgits with a better setups, then I will be more interested. Okay, because this is like a shakeout area already. Okay, so at the moment, of course, not too big at the moment, not so big at the moment. I'm not sure, Gary, you're still holding, you're looking for entry, you're looking for exit. 180, I think, okay, immediate support. Okay, but trend wise, now it's not that great. Okay, which means maybe you want to enter right now, you're holding right now. Expect some sideways, some boring sideways. Okay, expect some boring sideways. Okay, so that's why I can see so far for EG. Okay, any other stocks you want me to look into? Okay, before we end our section, like I said, nothing much as well. You're also very quiet. I'm not sure. You're just currently watching the market only without doing anything, or you're stuck right now. MBMR, yes, MBMR pretty good actually. MBMR actually still holding well. Okay, so here, okay, this one is above 20 MA already. Okay, and then sorry, not MBMR, MNRB, if not mistaken. Okay, MMRB. So okay, now MBMR let's do into that again. So again, following the trend line. Okay, so far so good so far so good. Against I don't see any major weakness. Okay, at the resistance level. So if you already enter, you want to ride along the trend, I think okay, you can use the uptrend line because this is actually a bit far from 20 MA. So let's say break below this trend line here, maybe you want to decide. But so far, I think the overall volume and the resistance, there's not much of a weakness. Okay, so I think still can continue to ride on this momentum here. So okay, hourly chart also. Okay, if you're looking for entry, hourly chart, you wait for them to retest 2040 MA with some low volume. I think they will be much more better. Okay, if you're looking for entry for this. Okay, the other one I think is MMRB. Also still quite nice one, if I can recall. Yesterday spotted, but I don't want to post a lot of stuff because market still a bit uncertain. Yeah, this one. This one actually a bit similar like MBSB but I'm not sure why MBSB tak ada jalan Okay, guess have to wait for a while. Okay, shake out. Okay, very above now looks like sideways holding about around the 2040 MA. Okay, so this one also I think not too bad based on market conditions over here. MBSB. Okay, MBSB. Okay, still the same. Okay, but as long as above this support, I will still continue to hold. Okay, 80 cents above. Okay, of course, I hope them to able to chase the other bank also. Hopefully, they can. Okay, any questions? If not, probably we'll end our section this morning. Okay, if not, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here. Tomorrow, we'll still have another sections. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Do remember, if you want to have more daily discussion, join my Telegram. Okay, if I find something interesting, I'll post it over there. Or if you find something interesting, okay, you can post it over there so that we can have more discussion on daily basis. All right, so with this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.